Attach a vice grip approximately 1 foot inward from the header onto both sides of the horizontal track. Install the lower section of the doors starting with the bottom panel. Ensure the outside of the door is facing up. For 3-section doors, install the middle section next. If there are only 2 sections, then install the top section of the door. Using the track stops provided in the hardware kit, attach the stops in the end of the horizontal tracks. Leave clamps in place until spring tension is